Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful water marble nail design. So the key to doing a good water marble is to make sure that the polishes work well in water. And I always say to use like lukewarm to room temperature water, but sometimes the water gets cold, so I feel doesn't make a difference. You have to just make sure that the polishes work well in water. So try to play around with different polishes. Some will spread as you see right here. Others will just sit in the cup and not move, and that's just useless. Now the polishes I'm using with this design is by Pure Ice and Finger Paints. Now using my water marbling tool, I'm going to do a spiral nail design. I wanted to do something fun and crazy. Springtime is just around the corner, and I just thought this was the perfect design for it. Now you don't necessarily have to use a water marbling tool. You can use a toothpick or a nail dotter, anything that has a point to it. And try to clean the point of your device that you're using in between swipes, because what will happen is the colors will kind of mix together and make the design really like lumpy. You don't want that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pull all the colors together, and I'm just going to spin it around. Now this is a little complicated, more harder nail design, but once you get the hang of it, it's really a cool design that you can do with any colors that you want. Now as you can see, I moved the cup around because I wanted to get the design that I wanted. And then I'm going to angle my finger into the cup and remove all the polish on top of the cup before I remove my finger. If you don't do that, what will happen is you will mess up your design. And I'm just going to remove the liquid latex from around my nails, and I'm going to clean around my nails with my cleanup brush, and I'm going to finish off with a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to try. Water marbling is not as hard as it seems. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos, and check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.